Hello. Today we will have a look at how to create diagram components in our Web Intelligence reports. So there are a couple ways to create diagrams. As you can see, you can either do it straight from here in the Report tab. In the Chart subtabs, you have a selection of different types of diagrams, such as column, line, pie charts, bar charts, also geomap for map purposes, and so on and so forth. So it's very easy actually. It's similar to the tables. You click on, let's say for this example, column chart, and you click somewhere in the report, and you can then right click on the component and assign data. So here you pick certain categories that you want to describe the data with. So let's say category in our case, and sales revenue. And you could also add to identify by different colors the different options. So for example, let's say here city. So each city will have a different color. Click on apply. And as you can see, here we go. The chart is created. However, as we can see, there are quite a lot of categories, so this could be further filtered or further limited to um, show proper and informative data. Another way you could do it is by simply pressing and holding Control and clicking on the table. You can copy that table, and then by right-clicking on that table and turn into column chart, for example. And as you can see, you have it straight away turned into a chart. And that is all for this video. Thank you and see you soon.